Let's see how to get iPad view in Mobile Legends. In the first step, open settings, then select display and brightness. Now choose screen zoom. In the next step, open settings, later select accessibility. Now tap display and text size. Next, turn on larger text. In the next step, open settings. After that, select developer options. Next, modify the smallest width value. In the next step, launch Mobile Legends. Later, navigate to graphics settings. Next, set to high or ultra resolution. In the next step, launch Mobile Legends. Now open custom UI settings, then modify UI scale for a broader display. You are good to go.